If you keep seeing the number 777 repeatedly, it is often linked to reflection and inner understanding in numerology. The number 7 represents insight, learning, and thoughtful awareness. It is connected to observation and deeper thinking. When the number appears 3 times, the message becomes more focused and intentional. Seeing 777 often appears during periods when reflection is more useful than fast action. It suggests that careful understanding should come before major decisions. Quiet evaluation creates stronger direction and fewer mistakes. In numerology, 7 is associated with wisdom gained through experience. It supports learning through awareness instead of impulse. Progress may be developing internally before it becomes visible externally. This number does not signal urgency or pressure. It signals insight and understanding. It encourages you to pause, review your position, and see the full picture before moving forward. 777 can also appear when you are asking deeper questions about purpose or direction. It supports steady exploration instead of rushed answers. Clarity develops through patient thinking. It is also connected to mental clarity and thoughtful analysis. When distractions reduce, insight increases. Stillness often produces better understanding than constant motion and reaction. Emotionally, this number supports calm trust in your inner awareness. Listening carefully often reveals what stress hides. When 777 appears repeatedly, treat it as a reminder to slow down, observe closely, and allow understanding to develop before taking the next step.